Today's product is something that we picked up for our two dogs. It is a flea and tick chew. It is safe and natural, has all these vitamins, garlic powder, fast acting, flea and tick prevention, long lasting. You get 150 soft chews inside of this little box. There's the ingredients again. No artificial preservative, no artificial flavoring, cruelty free, all natural ingredients. 150 chews. There's the information for how many chews per dog. So 2 chews daily for 25 pounds or less, 4 chews for 25 to 75, and 8 chews a day for 75 or more. Flea and tick chews. Let's open this up. So inside of this little box is our 150, that's it for the box, soft chews. Now the same information is on this as was on this box, so that's really nice. And then look at that, they even sealed the top, also nice. But for those of you wondering, there's the size of the chew, about the size of my index finger, I'd say. They actually don't smell too bad though. That'll do it for this unboxing of these flea and tick safe and natural chews. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.